Welcome to Exhibition Week at the N.E.C. This is Adam from Velocitech, who's one of our customers, and he just wants to tell you about our service. What do you think of our service, Adam? You've used us before. How was delivery and packaging and turnaround?
Great service from WDS. Obviously everything on the website. We get a lot of customer specified items from you guys. Next day and same day delivery. Most items in stock. We've not had a problem with trying to get hold of anything yet. So yeah, can't recommend them enough.
I often find that you can find that thing that you don't quite know what you want because of the extensive range of products that you supply.
Lose trust,